Hello everybody, this is Itay Verchik, and on this guide I'm going to show you how to install demo template with the theme Oceanwp for free that implements it with Elementor Pro. Okay, so in order to install the Oceanwp theme, you have to go to Appearance, Themes, and then down here you can see that you can add a new theme on the plus button. You click here and search the theme, Oceanwp. This is it. You have to install it and then activate it for free. Now, you have to install another plugin that's called Ocean Extra. This is the plugin that allows you to import all of the demos that Ocean suggests for the freemium. You activate the Ocean that I've already installed and allow and continue if you want. You don't have to. You can also skip. Do not send any information from the website or get any notifications from Oceanwp. And after you have activated the Oceanwp Extra plugin, down here you can install your demo. As you can see here, you can filter it by blog, one page, business website, corporate website, sports, and also e-commerce. If you choose one of them, then, let's say for an example, I choose the Mega Gym, you just click on Import. It will suggest that you can install more plugins for all of the features. Now for an example, I have Elementor to activate, and if I want forms as well, I can install this plugin. Those plugins are for premium. If you want to register, you can sign up on Oceanwp and pay to receive those plugins for all of the features. Now let's go to the next step and only use the free plugins and install this demo. It will take a few moments and then you can see the results. And that's it. As you can see, the demo is imported. Now you can see the result. Very simple, very fast. I've already installed the demo with all of the features and the design. Now, if I want to change something, I have to just edit it with Elementor. Very easy right here, I can edit it with Elementor. This is how we do it. Actually, so it's very easy to install demo templates with Oceanwp. If you have any more questions, you can write them on the comments below when I will comment, and on the first comment, put in the link to my full guide on my website. And if you like this video, you can like, subscribe, comment, and share. And good luck.